Welcome to the Chinese New Year edition of Magician in the Kitchen. My name is Oslen. In this video, I will share with you a traditional Niángāo recipe that I've learned from my mother, which she learned from her mother, which is my pawpaw, which in Cantonese means grandmother. Basically, this recipe has been passed down for 3 generations. In the comment section below, let me know what recipes you have learned from your grandmother. Niángāo is sometimes translated as year cake or Chinese New Year's cake. It is a dessert prepared from glutinous rice flour and traditionally consumed during the Chinese New Year. It is considered good luck to eat Niángāo during this time because Niángāo is a homonym for higher year. As such, eating Niángāo is a symbolism of raising oneself taller each coming year. And in Cantonese, we call it Li Niángāo Sing. This sticky sweet snack was believed to be an offering for the kitchen god, with the aim that his mouth will be stuck with sticky rice cake so that he cannot badmouth the human family in front of the Jade Emperor. This recipe is super easy, so let the magic begin. Let's start with the ingredients. We got 5 slices of cane sugar. We got half a cup of water, this is for the syrup, 600 grams of glutinous rice flour, cold water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. First, we need to make the syrup by putting the cane sugar and the half cup of water and boil it until the sugar is melted so it becomes a syrup. And then we let it cool. You want to fill up your steamer with water and turn on the stove on high heat. Weigh 600 grams of glutinous rice flour. Then pour some cold water into the flour mixture and you want to mix it with your hand. Knead it slowly until it becomes a dough. You want to knead the dough until it becomes a ball and the dough no longer sticks to your hand. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. You then want to slowly add the syrup into the dough so the dough becomes a batter. You want to add approximately 6 to 8 ounces. You don't want the batter to be too thin or too thick. My mother has taught me to look at the consistency by running my hands through the batter, and back in the days, they didn't have measuring cups nor digital scale, so everything was done by feeling and texture of the dough and batter. At last, you want to add the oil to the batter and mix well. You want to preheat your pan and then grease your pan. Pour the batter into the pan. You want to cover your pan with tin foil before steaming. And steam for 1 hour. Once it's done, remove the steamer and let it cool. Abracadabra! The traditional Niángāo is all done. Look how beautiful it is. So that's how it looks like. And whenever you want, you just cut it up and taste it. But I'm going to save it for Chinese New Year. So I want to take this time to wish all of my viewers Gung Hei Fat Choi, Nian Gao Xing, Sam Sen Si Sing, and San Tai Gin Hong, Gung Hei Gung Hei. I know I sound like a CBC. Well, I am a CBC. So Gung Hei Fat Choi. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that alarm button so that you get notified when we have a new video that's uploaded. If you got any questions, please comment on the bottom and I will answer them as soon as I can. Until the next time we meet, have a magical day.